Okay, on this one it says the surface area of a ball is 784 pi. What's the diameter of the ball? Well, we're going to use the formula for surface area of a sphere because a ball is a sphere, and it tells us that the surface area equals 4 pi r squared. And they told us already that the surface area was 784 pi. So because the pi is over here, it means that we have a 4 and we're missing the radius. So if we were to say 784 divided by 4, we would get an answer of 196, which would be what the radius is after it had been squared, right? Because see, so we have to turn around and take the square root of 196, and we get the number 14. So our radius equals 14, but they're asking you for the diameter. Well, a radius is halfway across, and a diameter is all the way across. So if the radius is 14, then each half would be 14. 14 and 14. So 14 times 2 would be the diameter, which gives us 28. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.